All right. So this problem's kind of cool. We're looking at the second derivative of y with respect to x. We've got two equations. Now you might be thinking, very tempting to think, okay, well, let's just take the derivative of this twice, right? Take the dy over dt, and then take the dx over dt, and just do this twice, right? Sort of like L'Hopital method. Not quite. Apparently that's not really how you want to do this. This is not the second time derivative. It's the x derivative. So what that means is once you've taken the derivative of this thing, we're going to do that over here. Dy over dt, that's going to be on top. We're going to be just saying, isn't that going to be -7 sine of t? That's on top. You can put this on the top, and then on the bottom, you got dx dt. That would be 7 cosine of t. And as you can see, this is the first piece, step 1. It's going to be giving us a -10. So this is what dy over dx equals, right? And you might be thinking, okay, let's just do that again. Kind of. What we're going to want to do is we're going to take our dy over dx that we have right here, and then we are going to differentiate again. This time on top, d over dt, and then we're going to do that with dx on the bottom again. This is really the secret, is that we're going to do this now. This is the second piece. Right, and that's weird. It's not going to be just doing it twice like L'Hopital. This time you're going to take the derivative on the top of the previous equation. So we're just going to write that over here. Dy over dt of -10. Okay, and then on the bottom, we're going to do dx over dt again. We already know what that is. 7 cosine t. Okay, so this will be negative secant squared over 7 cosine t. I think this can be reduced to something like 1 over negative cosine squared, and then divide that also by 7 cosine to the t. I mean, as far as I know, these can just kind of all group together on the bottom, because you're going to sort of have this over the 7 cosine t. It's going to be 1 over negative 7 cosine to the third. And if we plug this into the calculator with a value of t equals 3 pi over 4, suppose we can go ahead and do that. 1 over negative 7 cosine 3 pi over 4, and this little portion can be cubed. So I think that should give us the answer. Looks like it's 2 square root of 2 over 7. I think that might be correct. All right, there we go. That's going to be our answer.